Hi, welcome to the Mithril Security Workshop. Today we're going to have a look at inline pin keying systems. Let's get it. Also known as pin tumbler keying systems, these have been around since the mid-19th century. The components of the system are a barrel, bottom pins, driver pins, springs, and keyway. As the key is inserted into the keyway, the depths of cuts on the key lift the bottom pins, driver pins, and springs to the correct level. When the gap between the driver pin and the bottom pin is directly across the edge of the barrel, it creates what's known as the shear line. When all pins are aligned across the shear line, the barrel can rotate and operate the lock. Pin tumbler locks can be defeated by picking. This requires a tension bar, which is inserted into the keyway and applies gentle turning pressure to the barrel, and a lockpick, which is used to lift the pins to the shear line. Each pin is lifted individually to the shear line, and this is repeated across the series of pins a number of times. Some pins will bind, and then you can try the others. This varies from lock to lock as the technique exploits naturally occurring tolerances in the manufacturing process, which allow some pins to bind as pressure is added with the tension bar. When all pins are in place across the shear line, the barrel is able to turn. Another technique is called raking. Again, the tension bar is used and gentle tension applied to the barrel. Then the rake is moved back and forth across all the pins in an attempt to knock them into the right position on the shear line.
It's pretty close. I suck at raking, so I'm not going to bother anymore.